a modern room with a laptop and smartphone on the table. Social media is a powerful tool, but it can also be dangerous if not used wisely. Today, I'll show you how to stay safe and secure while using social media. Dramatic music, close-up shot of phone notifications. Step 1. Strong passwords and two-factor authentication. First things first, secure your accounts. Always use a strong, unique password and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for hackers to get in. Step 2. Be careful what you share. Did you know that sharing too much personal information can put you at risk? Avoid posting your location in real time and be cautious about what you reveal online. Step 3. Recognizing scams and phishing attempts. Ever received a message saying you won a free iPhone? That's a scam! Phishing attempts are everywhere, so never click suspicious links or share personal details. Step 4. Privacy settings and app permissions. Most people don't check their privacy settings. Go to your account settings and limit who can see your posts. Also, review app permissions. Some apps collect more data than you think. Walkthrough of adjusting privacy settings on Instagram, Facebook. Step 5. Avoiding online bullying and toxicity. Social media can be toxic, but you can control your experience. Block negativity, mute harmful accounts, and don't engage with online trolls. Your mental health matters. Example of blocking, muting a negative comment. Social media is amazing when used wisely. Follow these steps to stay safe, and let me know in the comments, what's your top social media safety tip? If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips.